How to find saved reels on Instagram. In this video tutorial, I'll guide you through finding the saved reels on Instagram in quick and easy way. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video we'll learn how to do it. If you have saved any reels and you don't know where it is, then don't worry. I'll teach you on this video. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video we'll learn how to do it. Without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram app and then you have updated your application and logged into your account. Then select the reel icon at the bottom right corner of the screen so that I can demonstrate you how you save it and then find it. So let's open it here and then tap on the aeroplane icon at the right corner of the screen. If you don't see the option here, you can simply get back and select the three dots next to it and then tap on the save button at the top left corner of the screen. And then you can also try it saving the post with friends. If not, let's come back and then come back to the home page of Instagram. Let's select the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile feed. On the section, select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now on this page, you need to select Saved, which is under How You Use Instagram, which is at the top only. You do not need to scroll down to the bottom. When you open it, you will see all your saved posts, audio, and many more. So let's open all posts at the top left corner and then select the Reels icon. And here, as you can see that currently we have saved this reel and it is at the top of the screen. So that is how we easily find the saved reels on Instagram.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.